civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Florida, at 2:20 am on July 6, 2023, effective until further notice. Message from IPOSCAP. Civil danger for all of Florida. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Florida Division of Emergency Management. A massive Stage 3 riot has occurred. The unrest riots was caused by a record scene of a movie named The Pre-Girl Stars Stage 3 movie, of the fans saying, "Do your best. All residents in the state of Florida must shelter in place."